We provide a paper of qualification test report for each machine, one piece of power cable and one piece of charging cable. For a standard accessory, there are two pieces of focus lens. One is f160, the other one is f254. We also provide a pair of laser protective goggles. There are two ways to control the laser cleaning machine. One is through a handheld control card. The second way is through a mobile phone app. You can download the application Laser Clean from iOS App Store. Click the app Laser Clean. You can see the parameter settings page. As a standard configuration, there are total 12 groups of process packages. Now, we choose one of the process packages and enter the password. Then, you can see the parameters setting page. There are total 8 scanning patterns. It is the air tube. You can connect it to the air compressor. This is the power input socket, the key switch, turn it on, and this is the emergency button. Now we plug in the power cable, turn on the key switch. Then you can see the green signal light is on. It is the Bluetooth signal transmitter, and it is the full switch interface. Before cleaning, you have to remove the protection cover of the laser cleaning head. After you press the red start button, the green indicator light will be on.